Hello everyone, so I'm back with another video, and I'm back with another doll restoration video. Reroute process video. There we go. And for those of you, well, I've actually posted her online, but this is the other doll that oh my gosh, look at her hair. Just wow. So yeah, this is the fairy doll that I rerouted, so you can see how nice her hair is. Her hair is a bit stiff, but it's okay. Yeah, you can see how stiff it is. There we go. Yeah, her hair is fairly stiff, but oh my gosh, that color. It's 10 times vibrant than her original hair color was. Oh, hold on, let me go get another doll. So here's actually the original doll that she was, so very dull, boring hair color. Wabam, check that out. And I also did give her a brand new part line. So I figured the middle part would flatter her. And yes, I had to repaint her irises. You can see that because her paint did rub off. So you see that. And you see that. My paint job is a little blotchy, but all in all, this was actually my first one like this. This one's my second one, and I have a third one of her. But yeah, oh my gosh, her hair is amazing. Very tropical. But no, I thought it would be kind of fun for you to see me in the process of doing this again. This time it's another childhood type of doll. I mean, I was a teenager when I got her, just like that fairy doll, but I was still a minor, and I consider that a part of my childhood, so. Here's another doll. This is a mermaid princess from the company called Barbie, if you can see that, and you can see I wrote my name on her head. So, that was a long time ago. And I've occasionally seen these mermaid outfits pop up online, but the outfits originated with these dolls, which they were produced back in 2005, 2006, somewhere in there. But as you can see, her hair has gotten frizzy. I've cut it several times. So yeah, she's actually gotten a new body. Her old body fell apart. She actually used to have bikini bottoms that went with this, but I lost those ages ago. And you can see, like, she's kind of moth-eaten, like, right there and stuff. So very old, and most of the metallic sheen is gone. So I will be cutting off her hair in this video. And she will be getting rerouted with the same exact hair colors, since I actually do have them. So for her blonde hair, I will be using the same color as I used on her, not the one that you see on top, but the super blonde hair, as they call it. So it's the more platinum. And then, of course, since it is the only pink I have, I will be doing her streak with this color that I did on her. So first, I'm going to need my Chrissy doll, because she is holding one of my elastics. So it's like she's one of my assistants right now. And the elastic doesn't want to come off. Yeah, I'm going to ponytail her hair, and then I'm going to cut it off. So first off, what I'm going to do is, yes, she has nylon hair, and it's kind of stiff, so here we go. I'm going to be chopping her hair off. It's always kind of, I don't know what the word would be, kind of distressing, I don't know. It's kind of sad to cut the hair off because this was her original hair, but just think she's gonna have much. I'm gonna give her her original hair length, which her hair went all the way down to here, I believe. So her hair was pretty long. And here we go. See, her hair is so, you know what? We'll just do a little surgery. How about that? Grab onto her head, and the first cut is made, so there's no going back now. What's interesting about these barter dolls is even though they had, I mean, not all of them did, not all of them had hollow plastic bodies. Like her legs were the dollar store, like cheapo Barbie type of body. Like her legs were hollow and squishy, that kind of cheap plastic, and so was her torso. But her arms were rubber, which was kind of weird. Oh my goodness, her hair is hard to cut. So there's her ponytail. Oh my lord. So yeah, this will be the last time her hair gets cut. I think I've cut her hair at least 6 different times, so I will come back when she is buzz cut. Well, okay. Had to go fetch another pair of scissors to do the job, because the ones I was using were designed for cutting paper. Which a lot of times I can get the other types of scissors to work, but those ones just weren't having it. Yep. There we have it. There you go. Send you out with a bang. So now I'm going to take my flathead, start scraping her hair and removing it from the rooting holes. So what I always found interesting is they actually refer to the hair, like the big hair strands you root in the doll head. They refer to those as hair plugs, and then they refer to the holes as hair plugs. I consider the hair itself you put in as a hair plug, like one of the pieces of hair that you root in. That's a hair plug, and to me these little holes are just rooting holes. That's what I call them. Just look how easy that is. And the funny thing is, I made a tutorial over doing this years ago, and that video's gotten so many views, but then again, I still see people struggling with going on the inside of the head with tweezers and plucking each individual plug out. I'm just like, oh, why? So I will come back when I have gotten all the hair off. Okay, so I finally got all the hair off, or removed from the rooting holes themselves. So now we're going to go on the inside and pull the hair out. And see, unlike the Dollar Tree hair that I've usually rooted in, this doesn't come out in one huge clump. Usually have to keep going in. Yeah, there's actually an interesting story behind this doll. Like, I literally didn't know this doll even existed. And it was funny because whenever I was on the bus, when I used to ride the bus, there was this girl that I was friends with named Alexis. And she used to play Barbies with me. And one day she was sad because she didn't have any Barbies of her own. because she didn't really get into them until we started hanging out. And then the bus driver was really nice and offered to buy her a doll. And of course, she talked with the girl's mom and everything, and it was cool, so. But when Alexis came on the bus the next day, she had this mermaid with purple hair. And I was just in awe, and then she actually unboxed the doll on the bus, and I saw on the box that it said Family Dollar. It's like, oh, she got the doll at Family Dollar, so I went down there. And, of course, I was like 15 at the time, so I was allowed to go places. So I went down, walked to the Family Dollar, and I got this one. I'd seen the purple one, but I wanted a different one, so I chose this one because she was different looking. There was one that was a pink one, and she had pink hair and a blonde streak, and the purple one had purple hair with a pink streak, and the purple one had purple eyes, the pink one had pink eyes. Very interesting. So yeah, that's the interesting story behind this doll. I don't know if I'm going to use her original part line, because you can see how big that hole there is. I don't know. You can see the line they were supposed to go by, but instead they gave her a hairline that was a little farther down. So props to the original hair rooter. So anyhow, thank you guys for watching my little video. Now she is freshly deplugged for a reroute, so I will be sure to post a video after she is complete. Thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.